Hey, welcome back once again, and here in this video we are just going to learn about for loop in C. So first of all we need to understand about the for loop. So for that we have to say it just works same as that of while loop, and the only difference is that the for loop is used in the condition when the number of iterations are known in advance. For example, we wanted to execute loop for 10 time, 20 time, 30 time, and we know the number of iteration in advance, then we have to use for loop, and it works same as that of a while loop. And one more thing about the for loop is that the initialization declaration is executed just once. Then we have to understand the syntax of the for loop. So here we go with the syntax of the for loop. Here we have to write the for, then we have to give this for loop is divided into three expressions, and each separated by the semicolon. And this first expression is called as the initialization. Here we initialize the loop, and then here we have to set the condition of the loop, and here we have to give the third and whether to make increment or decrement. Then here in the curly bracket we have to write the code or statements that we wanted to execute repeatedly. So this is the body of the for loop. So for loop is divided into three expressions, that is mainly this is what called as the first initialization, then we have to set the conditional expression, and here we have to set the loop whether to increment the value or to decrement the value. So for better understanding of the for loop, let's move to our IDE. So as of now we are into our IDE, that is Dev C++, and here we have written certain code before that. And here you notice my first line over here we have put the comment entry. So single line comment entry also can be written using these two double slash slash. So this is also the comment entry. You can use slash star or star slash, or either you can use slash slash, then this is also considered to be as a comment entry. So then we have included the header file stdio.h, then void main, and here we are going to write the code. So I'm simply writing a program, small program, in which I am displaying a number from say 1 to 10. So that is an integer number. So what I am doing, I am declaring a variable int I, and here I have declared the variable. Now I am using for loop for displaying the number. So for that I have written for, then put the parenthesis. So first you need to initialize this. So I am initializing the, I want to display the number from 1 to 10. So for that I am initializing the value of I equal to 1. So then put the semicolon here, and I 1 to 10 mean to say that until I less than 11. Then here I have to put the third expression, that I plus plus. So what I'm doing, I'm incrementing the value of I by 1. So in the curly bracket I have to write the body of the loop. So what I want to do over here, I just wanted to display the result. So here I go with printf function, and here in the curly bracket I would like to display the value of I. So percentage d, then comma I, at the end here put the semicolon. So this is a program written as of now. Now go to save menu here, or just click on the save button, and here you have to select the C source file and give the name to the file as say for loop. Just hit the save button and go to execute menu, then choose compile and run. So our program is compiled and executed. So here we got the output as say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we have displayed the number from 1 to 10. If you see over there, there is no space, or so if you want to add the space between them, so what you can do, you can add the escape sequence here, backslash t, and save the changes and go to execute menu, choose compile and run, and here you get the output. So here you see our output is here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Or if you want to display the number in each new line, so for that you can simply write here \n, save the changes here again and go to execute menu, choose compile and run, and here we go with the output. Our result is displayed in each line. So this is how we have used for loop to display the number from 1 to 10. So whatever we have done with the while loop or do while loop, we can also do it with the for loop. So the only difference between the while loop and the for loop is that while using the for loop, we know the number of iteration in advance, whereas in the while loop we have to check for the condition, and according to that we have to execute the loop, or body of the loop will get executed. So this is all about how to use for loop in our C program. So that's all for now. See you soon in the next video.